Shanghai Kingxigai Automotive Technology Company Limited, established in 2015, is a prominent enterprise nestled in Nantong, Jiangsu Province, China. Occupying a sprawling 6,000 square meters, equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, we boast a team of over 100 skilled professionals. Our core products are die-cast aluminum alloy brake caliper covers, designed for automotive modification, vehicle protection, and seamless adaptation to various car models. We seamlessly integrate design, research and R&D, production, and sales to offer our clients the most cutting-edge and cost-effective modification solutions. Our products are now sold well in 7 continents, making us a world-renowned caliper cover merchant. High quality, competitive price, we are pretty sure that we will be your best choice. We are looking forward to the win-win cooperation and mutual development with you.